What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, right now I'm using Omarchy Linux as a primary operating system of my computer, and in this computer I have NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, a dedicated GPU for this operating system. And now in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Davinci Resolve video editor application on Omarchy Linux. We all know that Davinci Resolve is one of the best and free application to edit videos on Linux operating system, but installation of that application is little bit tricky. So in this video I'm going to step by step guide you that how you can install Davinci Resolve application on Omarchy Linux. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, as I mentioned that I'm using NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU on this computer, and to make Davinci Resolve work on your computer with the graphics card, you have to make sure you have installed the graphics driver and CUDA for NVIDIA and ROCm for AMD. Now if I open my terminal, let me zoom in a little bit and type here NVIDIA-SMI and press enter. Here you can see I have installed the driver and also the CUDA toolkit. You need to install the drivers and CUDA on your operating system if you use NVIDIA GPU and if you want to work Davinci Resolve on your computer. So I had already installed them. Now let me guide you how you can install the Davinci Resolve application. For that I'm going to open up my browser, then navigate to google.com, then search on Google Davinci Resolve. Then go to this first link, scroll down, and here you will get an option to download free version. Click on free download now. Then from this list select Linux, then fill up this form and click on register and download, and it should start downloading Davinci Resolve for Linux operating system. Now if I open my file manager, go to my downloads folder. Here you can see I have Davinci Resolve Linux zip file, and also I have a omarchy.sh bash script, and using that bash script you can easily install Davinci Resolve application on Omarchy Linux or any Arch-based distribution. You will find this script link in video description. This script is available on my GitHub repository, so follow the link from the description and download this script, and make sure to keep this Davinci Resolve file and this script in same directory. Now after that, open up your terminal, then change your directory to downloads, type here ls. Here you will see the omarchy.sh bash script. We have to give the execute permission to this script. So type here chmod +x, then the file name, then press enter. Now to execute that script, simply type here /omarchy.sh. Now whenever I press enter and give my root password, it will automatically install Davinci Resolve using this zip file in our Omarchy Linux. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the installation get completed. So let's press enter, give my root password and press enter, and now it's going to automatically install all the prerequisite libraries and application in your Omarchy Linux. Then using this zip file is going to install Davinci Resolve on Omarchy Linux. So just simply sit back and relax until the installation get completed. Okay, now to run Davinci Resolve application, open up your application launcher and search here for Davinci Resolve and open Davinci Resolve with the icon. And now here you can see Davinci Resolve is starting in our Omarchy Linux. Now click on new project, click on create, and guys, here you can see we have successfully installed Davinci Resolve application for video editing on Omarchy Linux. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.